We got an ultra modernized, customized 57 Chevy. God, this does show you what the hell a 57 Chevy would look like today. Oh my God, this is awesome. It's convertible. Looks like, you see how the fenders are? They're molded into the mirrors. Door handles are shaved. It's lowered. It looks like it's got, I don't know, 18-inch wheels on it, maybe. God, man, this is sweet as all hell, man. You know, people think 57 Chevy is kind of a shoebox. This is definitely not a shoebox. This is, you look at the basic design, you know, it's like I never really, God, I'm going to go over this car a lot. You know, you go over the basic design of the 57 Chevy, looks good, but then it's a boxy design. So this whole thing is lowered, and I don't know if he did something to the body to, you know, make it like I got a feeling this was not a convertible in the first place, you know. I'm not sure what the hell this is. Maybe it's a car that's not a 57 Chevy that has 57 Chevy bodywork molded into it, you know what I mean? Like the bumper and stuff like that. I don't think this started out as I don't think this is registered as a 57 Chevy. But God, talk about a winner seller for General Motors. You know, none of those people that are in General Motors think of anything right. It's always some entrepreneur that does it. Independent customizers and things. As a matter of fact, all the cars in the 1950s, they were actually taking designs from the customizers, the independent builders, the people that were in, you know, the manufacturing facilities and all the car manufacturers in the 50s that are coming out with all these new designs. They did not get them from in-house. They were taking them from people that were actually doing the cars. And before that, you know, everybody was seeing that. Then it became like, oh, you can just buy a car that already looks customized. But, you know, I mean, it was, you know, 55, 56 Chevy, Fords. Fords are actually way ahead of their time. 55 Fords are way ahead of their time. Chrysler's, Plymouths. But this is sweet, man. I never saw something like this. I'm sure it's not. I'm sure it's in some other car and they molded in. They probably did a hell of a lot of freaking custom work to make those fenders and stuff fit on there. But it looks like it was. And this looks like a. God, this thing is sweet. I can't say enough about it, man. Look how ultra modern that damn thing looks, and you can totally recognize it as a 57 Chevy. It looks like beyond sweet. It's amazing. I guess people got to get back their innovative talents again and start taking all those pesticides, pharmaceutical drugs, and all the other garbage these freaking morons take today. Their brains will start working better like they did in the 1950s.